In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a work or school account to Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or looking to make the most of this collaborative tool, we'll walk through setting up your account and getting started with your Teams. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. You can do this by visiting microsoft.com/anc Microsoft Teams //free www microsoft.com/and Microsoft Teams/free. Once you're there, look for the option to sign up for free. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one in a few simple steps. Now that you've signed in, Microsoft will ask how you intend to use Teams. You'll see three options: work in organizations, school, or friends and family. It's important to select the right category because it affects the setup. If you're joining Teams for work, you'll want to choose for work and organizations. If it's a school account, select for school. Choose the appropriate option and then click Next. Once you've entered Teams, let's take a moment to set up your profile. Look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This is where you can personalize your account by adding a photo and updating your name. You can also set your preferences to tailor the experience to your needs. Now it's time to create a new team. Head over to the Teams tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Join or Create a Team, then select Create Team. Here, you'll have two choices: start from scratch or create from an existing group or Office 365 group. Choose what works best for you. Be sure to give your team a catchy name, a brief description, and determine the privacy settings to suit your group's needs. With your team created, it's time to start inviting members. You can do this easily by using their email addresses. This step is crucial to start collaborating effectively, so invite anyone you think would benefit from being part of this team. Now, let's explore some of the key features to get you started with Teams. The chat function is perfect for private one-on-one or small group conversations. For more structured collaboration, use the Teams section. This is where channels, file sharing, and meetings come together for seamless teamwork. The calendar function allows you to schedule or join meetings directly within Teams. If you've linked your Outlook account, everything will sync up automatically. Finally, if you need to handle voice or video calls, the Calls section will be your go-to place. I hope this helps you get started on Microsoft Teams and sets you on the path to effective collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tutorials.